I know you want to start selling snacks at school, but you're not sure where to start. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a 3-step guide on exactly how to start selling snacks at school. So let's get right in the video. Now I get this question a lot because I've been selling since I was in 6th grade. And if I had to restart on how I would start selling snacks at school, then this is exactly what I would do. So the first step, you have to make yourself known. Now, if you're not popular, don't worry, it doesn't matter. I wasn't that popular. I became popular because I was selling snacks at school. So your first step is to promote yourself. You need to either start posting on your Instagram, your Snapchat, your TikTok, your literally any social media that you have. I didn't do this in middle school, but when I entered high school, my freshman year, I created a whole new Snapchat account. I literally named it PHS Chip Plug. I sent it to everyone and everyone added it, and then they knew that I was the seller. Also, if you're doing sports, if you're in clubs, if you're in any classes, hey bro, I'm gonna be selling snacks. I'm gonna be bringing chips, candy, drinks, everything else. I'm gonna be making and baking some stuff. I'm gonna be selling food. Like literally anything that you're gonna sell in school, you need to make sure that the people know about it. Because if you have all these snacks, but no one knows about you or no one wants to buy it, then you're gonna be losing out on money. It just doesn't make sense. So the first step out of 3 is to make yourself known. Do no matter what it takes. And then at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you guys a secret tip to make yourself known, but make sure you don't get no snitches or haters. Step number 2, what are you gonna need to start selling snacks at school? Now me, I literally started with an Adidas drawstring bag exactly like this one. Now when I was in middle school, I used to play a bunch of sports, like literally all the sports you could think of. So I always had one of these for like cleats or balls or anything else. And then one day I went to Food for Less and got a box of chips and I started at 0. If you guys want a story time, let me know in the comments. But I got a box of chips and I filled this bag full of chips. I took this to school the next day, but I didn't follow step number 1. So I barely sold anything. But if you want to go even bigger and better and you already been selling for a little bit, then get rid of this small little bag and get yourself a duffel bag. So this is what you need to take the snacks. But what about the actual snacks? Now you need to get stuff that people like: chips, candy, drinks, literally anything else that people love, get them. Always get the most popular. You can try these little unique stuff, but they may or may not sell. Now I created a whole list for y'all of the most popular snacks and equipment that you need to get started selling at school. It's literally an Amazon list. I used to order off this list every single week and I'll put it linked in the description. So you get the bags, you get the snacks, you get everything else. That's step 2. Step 3, this part is making sure you know what you're gonna do when you start selling. Before you start selling, you need to find a spot where you're gonna be at. Now you could walk around as well, but you wanna have that one spot where people know where you're at. So scope it out. If you don't have a spot, you need to look where the teachers are. If you're gonna chill in the classroom, talk to these teachers and see who's gonna let you stay. Or ask the yard duties, hey bro, do you mind if I sell snacks? No, don't do that. Or even ask the yard duties, be like, hey, what y'all be like? Just try to question them without directly telling them you're gonna sell snacks. Now let's go to the secret tip. The secret tip is be nice with everybody. I was cool with the yard duties, the teachers, my principals, the janitors, everybody. So when a teacher walked by and saw me selling snacks, they just turned around, they looked away, they act like it didn't see it, or they even bought from me. Be nice with everybody, especially if this new school year. If you have any beef with anyone, just smash it. Any snitches, be cool with everybody, dab up everybody. I would dab up people I didn't even know. I'd be like, yo, what's up, bro? How you been, cuz? And then they're gonna be your customers because they'll be like, oh, there's this other snap seller. He's low-key shy, he keeps himself, he's kind of a mean person too. But then there's Rico, but then there's you. Oh, that dude's always cool. He always says what's up, he always dabs me up. So using these 3 steps in that secret tip, add them all together and you're gonna be the best snack seller at your school. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Join my Discord and Telegram, is gonna be linked in the description, and any other videos, they're here to help you. They're on my channel. See y'all.